Hey guys, in this video I kind of wanted to talk a little bit about something Microsoft is pushing right now. What they're doing is they're ending support for the Windows 11 24H2. So the first thing you would want to do is just to see if you're still on this version. So what you'd want to do is come down and search for Settings, and then go to System and About. And here we'll just scroll down a little bit to the Windows info, and where it says version, if yours says 24H2, then Microsoft is about to force an update for you. Here's kind of what you will need to know before that happens. So for the 24H2, it will affect both the Home and Pro editions, which will be at the end of support starting October 13th, 2026. And after that date, there will be no more security fixes or technical support after that. So what Microsoft has started doing already is force upgrading some unmanaged Home and Pro 24H2 devices right to the newer 25H2. How they're doing this is through a machine learning based intelligent rollout. So what the machine learning based intelligent rollout is, in Microsoft terms, it's how they're deciding which PCs will get force upgraded to the 25H2 rather than just pushing it to every unmanaged device all at once. So how they're doing it is they judge it based off of device health signals, whether if it's a crash history or driver incompatibility, to score which PCs are ready for this update. Now 25H2 still installs as a small package rather than a full feature update. Since there's already underlying components that are already being shipped out through cumulative updates, so it won't be a very big update for you, and it shouldn't take too much time at all, unlike going from something like Windows 10 to Windows 11, which would be a pretty big upgrade. So if you do see yourself at running 24H2, what you would want to do is very simple. Just go down to Windows Update and just check for updates to see if your update comes up. For me, it won't because I'm already on the 25H2, but for you, just click the check updates and then you should see the 25H2 update if you're still on 24H2. One other thing I would like to mention is a new feature that Microsoft has pushed out is called point-in-time restore. So where that is if you go to System and scroll down to Recovery, and then you want the point-in-time restore. This is the new feature that they have. You just want to enable this and select when you would like it to be backed up from. I can make another video explaining more about this if you guys like. So if this is something you're interested in learning more about, please comment that in the description and I'll be happy to make a video about that. But for this upgrade to 25H2, it's not too big of a worry if you're on 24H2. All you got to do is, like I mentioned, just check for the updates and get that installed. You can elect to just ignore it for now, and either way, Microsoft will force push it out to you either way. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and give me a comment, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, guys.